Hello guys, welcome to the tutorial Fast Python for Dummies. In this video we are going to see the conditional statements if and else. I am going to show you how it works with a handy example. Okay, first of all, you can type this line on your computer, and well, here I am saying that this variable input value is going to be equal to int parentheses input, and actually this code helps us to enter a value in the Python shell. For example, I open my Python shell here. I am going to enter a value here, and after that I am going to pass that value through my conditional statement. Okay, and after I get the value, I will compare in this case. For example, if that value is less than 10, we are going to print the number is less than 10. If the value is equal to 10, we print number is equal to 10, and if the input value doesn't comply any of these statements, we will print that the number is bigger than 10. Okay, now we run it. Okay, we can enter a value right now. For example, if we enter 5, okay, the number is less than 10. Okay, we have to run it again. Okay, you can press F5 for run it. Okay, now we can type 10. Okay, you can see the number is equal to 10. Now we run it again. Okay, run module. A number bigger than 10, for example, I don't know, 100. Okay, and it prints the number is bigger than 10. Okay, but when you will type this, don't forget that it has to be a space here. You can make this space with the key tab on your computers. When I press tab, it makes like this. This is the structure, if else, and you can, after an else, you can, well, one way is to open a gift, and you as well use tab on your computers. Okay, guys, this is all for this video, and see you in the next video tutorial. Goodbye.